Hello students, welcome back to Me Learning. Today we are discussing an exciting new chapter called Particulate Nature of Matter. Have you ever wondered why eye smells, why perfume smell spreads, or why balloons fill with air? Everything around us is made of tiny particles. And in this video, we are going to explore the amazing world of matter in a fun and simple way. Everything around us is made of matter. The water you drink, the air you breathe, even you are made of matter. Let's begin. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Books, water, air, tables, trees, animals, and even our bodies are all made of matter. Matter is made up of extremely tiny particles. These particles are so small that we cannot see them with our eyes. Scientists call them constituent particles. Matter exists mainly in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. In solids, particles are packed very closely together. They have fixed shape, fixed volume, strong attraction between particles. That is why solids do not flow easily. In liquids, particles are slightly farther apart. Liquids have fixed volume, no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container. In gases, particles are very far apart. They move freely in all directions. That is why gases spread very fast and fill the entire container. There is a force of attraction between particles. This force is strongest in solids, weaker in liquids, and weakest in gases. So today we learned matter is made of tiny particles. Particles have spaces between them. Particles attract each other. And the arrangement of particles gives matter its different states. In the next video, we'll discover how particles move and how heat changes matter from one state to another. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.